Okay, this is Zimba. She's a number 16. This dog, we call him Bucket. He's a lab mix. He's really funny. His ears perk up. He does have a little bit of hair loss, but he loves his bucket. He came with his bucket, so we call him Bucket. He's in number 15. This dog is a bulldog mix, number 14. And that's 5323. Number 13 is a lab mix, 5291. Come here. Come here. That's a hound. He's neutered. Come here, buddy. Come here. He's a red bone hound that's neutered. But he's heartworm positive. And then we got a shepherd mix, neutered, number 12. We got this little tan and white mix, number 11. 2.5-year-old. A little pit bull mix. And number 10. Number 9 is a yellow lab. Number 8, another little pit mix. Number 7 is like a shepherdy lab mix. 5794. Number 7. Number 6 is a little terrier mix. Male, about 2 years old. This dog's awesome. He's like a male neutered shepherd mix, really cute. He's sort of a puppy still. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. But he's really cute. He's in number 5. This is a buck. He was surrendered. He's neutered. He's in number 4. This dog's it's like a Catahoula. Number 3. He's like a Catahoula dog. He's pretty cool. Real sweet personality. This guy's Vegas. He is heartworm positive, but he's neutered. A really good dog. This dog we love. It's a boxer mix, Nugget. Can you sit? Sit. Anyway, he's in number 1. So that's